Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. US stocks were built on Monday's recovery. Powell's suggestion that the balance sheet shrink later in the year helped to ease speculation about a fourth increase this year. The near-term course may be determined by how the market responds to US CPI. Large bourses saw a significant increase in their value, with Hang Seng rising almost 2.8% and Nikkei increasing almost as much. Stoxx 600 in Europe opened higher, but has stalled. U.S. futures are recovering from their initial weakness and moving higher. The dollar has not changed much against the major currencies. The gains of the Canadian dollar, which broke higher yesterday, are being extended today. Gold is pairing yesterday's 1.1% increase, giving back almost a quarter. Energy prices remain firm. Yesterday's gains are being extended by the February WTI. It is close to the $82.15 high in October last year. Asian Pacific market. The Bank of Japan has raised its economic assessment of all regions of Japan ahead of next week's meeting. This is the first time it has done so in over 8 years. The range of 115.05 to 115.85 that the dollar was set against the Japanese yen on Monday is still in effect. It has actually been restricted to less than 25% of the yen range below 115.45. Yesterday, the Australian dollar closed at $0.7200. Today, it has edged up a bit to $0.7225. However, the market seems to be auctioning ahead of the US CPI report. Support is near $0.7185. Market of Europe. The unexpected weakness of French and German November industrial output reports did not compensate for the strength in Spain's production, but the Eurozone saw a 2.3% increase with seasonal adjustments. This year, the euro reached its highest point. It was slightly lower than $1.1380 in Asia and then dropped to $1.1355. The $1.1320 region is supported. Since mid-November, the single currency has been below $1.14. Sterling's rally, which began last month at $1.3165, has now reached almost $1.3650. Sterling is having trouble maintaining the upward momentum. Market of America. Powell used his confirmation hearings as an opportunity to assure senators and his larger audience that the Fed will protect price stability and stop inflation becoming entrenched. Today's headline is the U.S. December CPI. It is expected that it will rise to 7% from 6.8% in November. Later today, the Fed's Beige Book will provide a peek into the economy's performance in light of the Delta surge and the Omicron deluge. The CAD 1.26 level was broken by the US dollar. The greenback has trended lower in the European morning to below CAD 1.2544 after follow-through. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.